This is part 2 of the old Cadillac that had the contaminated refrigerant that came from a shop. The shop that subletted it out in the first place for that shop who put in the contaminated refrigerant took it back to the original mechanical shop who did it, told them what they found, and all the rubber seals were leaking. R22 loves rubber seals, eats it up, makes it deteriorate. So they put on a compressor, it comes back, and it's a kind of what I kind of guessed what was going to happen, because you know how you get a feel after you've been in the business 30 plus years, and you know you're second, third generation, fourth generation technician, you get a feel for technicians and owners of shops when you talk to them. Well, when I said I had to go over there and explain to them, can I tell them what an oil balance was? So in this scenario, I went over there, met the owner. I said, hey, did you guys oil balance the compressor? And he looked at me like a deer with the headlights, caught him in the eyes, and he's in a surprise. What's that? Was his response. That tells me everything right there. You go the other way. And I explained to him, and there should be a paper in the box, and you have to follow these procedures. He goes, oh, that's all. That's not difficult. Nothing. But he never knew about this, and they've been doing AC for years. Oh, and contaminating it with contaminated refrigerant. That also tells you. So it's back over here. I'm hooked up. Immediately my vacuum won't go down. So I hook up my dry nitrogen, which they could have done before they did. It's called double checking your work. And so here is let's see, can you see the oil shooting out there in this video? I see it in my eye. There's an oil stream coming out. They don't have it hooked up right on the fitting on the manifold going to the back of the compressor.
There's a leak.
Yep, there's a leak. Let's see part 3.